Can we delete messages on Pinterest? So hello guys, if you are being looking for a way to delete messages on Pinterest, this video might be helpful to you. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open the Pinterest app on your device and make sure you are logged in with your account. So now from here you will have to go the option inbox, so it will appear on the bottom. So simply tap on it, and now from here choose the conversation. Okay, so from here I will message this account. Okay, so after this, now from here, after holding this message, you will be able to like copy or reply. So here is no any options like you can delete your printers message. So all the way back from here, and you can also delete the conversation. So the solution you can do here is you have to click on this three line just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you can hide the conversation. So alternatively you can do this. So this is the informative video that you can delete the printers message or not. So hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.